Ooh, I'ma flex on my ex, flex on the hoe. You still be in my head, so I'ma let you know. I realize how much I want you when I let you.
Alright, good morning YouTube, uncles and aunties. I'm just gonna tell you that I was invited to a ride by a friend, and that ride you will see that on the next video. So magpe-prepare tayo for that ride. So we're gonna talk about what to bring and what to wear during rides. So ito ang aking ginagamit during rides. Of course, first, very basic, helmet. Yan. Alright, so kailangan natin ng full face helmet, and advice ko lang, sana tayo ay bumili ng hindi substandard. Bumili tayo ng mga branded. Kahit hindi mamahalin, basta branded, for better protection. So, ang akin ginagamit ay ito. Right. So, next one. We need to wear a riding jacket and riding pants. Pero wait, hindi lahat tayo nakaka-afford nun, gaya ko. So, pwede tayo gumamit ng ganito. Knee pads and elbow pads. Alright. So, ito, binili ko ng almost 850 pesos. So, ito maganda. Matigas siya at bakal. Alright, so ito yung for elbow. Alright, and this is for the knee. Alright, may protection din siya shin. Alright, so kailangan natin magsuot ng mga ganito guys. Alright, so susunod is riding gloves. Alright, riding gloves. Ito ang aking ginagamit. The reason why we use riding gloves during long rides or even short rides is for us to have a protection on our knuckles. And kung sumip lang tayo at nauna yung kamay natin, hindi tayo ganong masasaktan. Alright, susunod. If you going to a night ride, or kung alam yung gagawin kayo sa ride, magdala or magsuot ng reflectorized vest. So ito ang aking ginagamit. Alright, so meron siyang reflector sa harap, dito, at dito may mga pocket siya, at meron din reflector sa likod. So yan, yan. Alright, so maraming klaseng reflectorized vest mga guys. Bahala na kayong pumili. Susunod is what to bring during rides. So first, ito yung mga dinadala ko. Medikit. Alright, kailangan natin to. No, ito ginawa ko lang. Pwede kayong mag-order sa online. So, tingnan natin kung anong pinaglalagay ko sa loob. Alright, so una, mayroon tayong ito. Alright. Alright, so next is we have bandage. Right, we have alcohol. Right, that would come in handy. Alright, next one is betadine. Alright, kung nasugat tayo, pwede natin gamitin to avoid infections. Alright, gunting, scissors. Alright, and ito, tape, bandage tape. Right, meron din akong dalang medicines. Alright. Alright, next important thing to bring during rides is yung mga tools nyo. So, ito yung mga ginagamit kong tools. Alright. Ito, tools. Alright. Alright, next one is ito. Alright. Air pump. Alright. Kung na-flat tire tayo sa daan at kailangan natin ipunta sa vulcanizing shop or sa motor shop, kailangan natin to para tayo ay makaabot doon. Now, pwede kayong kumuha o bumili ng mas maganda kaysa dito. Alright? Ito is medyo matagal mag-pump. Alright? But this will come in handy too. And of course, nagdadala din ako ng power banks. Alright. Alright. Kailangan natin itong power banks. Alright. Alright. And lastly, dahil maulan, kailangan natin ng kapote. Alright. So, ito yung ginagamit kong kapote. Alright. We called it green kapote. Right. So, rubberized siya. Right. Hindi madaling mapunit. And, right. Para hindi kayo mabasa. Kung just in case na maabutan kayo ng ulan sa daan. Alright. Ito pa pala. Kailangan nyo din ng water container. Alright. This is almost 1 liter, 900 ml. Alright. So, during rides, especially kung mainit yung lugar na pupuntahan nyo, you need to bring drinking water with you. Alright, so yun lang mga uncles and aunties. So magra-ride kami bukas ng aking kaibigan. La-lunch ride kami sa Sabangan. Alright, so see you on the next video.